Have you been involved in a divorce or co-parenting? Then you form part of about 45% of couples who go through this very painful experience. No matter how a divorce is handled, it is still traumatic to children and parents alike. Children are often not as resilient as they might appear. Increased anxiety, depression, behavioral issues, and poor academic performance are some of the struggles children experience. With conflict present, the emotional impact is even bigger. Not surprising then, when they act out, withdraw, or start with problems such as bedwetting. As parents, we may be so taken up with the fight for survival that we may miss day-to-day issues which may really be hard for our children. Children who live in two households may, for example, experience they do not have one place to call home. They may struggle with the uncertainty of, who do I go home with today? Or whose turn is it to pick me up from school? Prior to divorce, it is therefore extremely important to set your boundaries and agree on the best way to handle discipline and co-parenting. For more effective co-parenting, parents may try the following. Establish open and respectful communication between the parties. Agree on consistent rules across both households to ensure stability for the children. Put the needs and well-being of children first and settle disputes. Clarify parenting responsibilities and expectations. Please remember, divorce ends a marriage, but parenthood still exists. Our children need both of us, working together even when separated. If this helped you, please share it with other parents. Let me provide you with a faith anchor. Romans 14 verse 19 says, "Let us therefore make every effort to do what leads to peace and to mutual edification." May the Lord bless you.